guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can view the full album by just clicking some stuff on the song. For instance, you've downloaded like a song that you like and maybe you want to download some more songs from that album. So for instance, this one, you can right click and press show album in library. As you can see, there's only one song because I've only downloaded one song from that album. So you're just going to choose show complete album to sort of see all of the songs that are in the album, and you can add to the library. Add to your library by just pressing the plus button, or you can even add all of the songs that are in this album by pressing add all songs. Just for instance, I want to add in the song Street Kids. Just press the plus button and it will be hopefully added to my library. I'm not sure why it's clicking. I'm just gonna assume it's already there. Did I, let's see, where would that be in a library? Okay, and it is added. It has been added to my iTunes library. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!